bedrooms and 1.5 baths. So your
Okay.
half bath is right off the
Half bath
kitchen.
here, okay. And do you have just one living room, or is this the formal living room and then the family room upstairs, maybe?
No, so this is all the living space here.
This is
and then
all
you have
the
the
living
bedrooms
space.
and bath upstairs.
Okay.
And that's just a utility closet there with your systems.
The kitchen looks good, stainless steel.
Yeah, exactly. I think one of the owners was a chef or is a chef.
Okay.
So, you know,
Very nice.
did that. And this is what everyone wants right now.
Oh
Outdoor
yes,
space.
nice.
Very private. As
Very
well,
nice.
and secure.
There's no garage that comes with
So
it?
there's no garage. There is parking potential in the back though.
Okay.
So there is an alley.
Okay.
And so someone could easily add parking, if they wanted to.
Most people who live around here probably don't even have
They
a
don't
car.
need it. You know, the owners never did it.
Yeah.
The street's a pretty quiet street, but long term, if someone wanted to do it, it definitely would add value.
Yeah.
You know, so for like resale value as well.
Right. How far is this house from Capitol Hill, from the Congress building?
Sure. It's about a 15 to 20 minute walk.
Walk? Okay.
Yep. 10-minute drive, and of course it just all depends on traffic.
Okay. And this is just a
Yeah, you can open
pantry?
it. Yep.
Oh, this is okay.
Yeah, the
Utility closet.
Uh-huh.
Okay, very good.
Yeah.
I like this little powder room.
And are you looking, or you said your friend's kind of looking?
Yeah.
Okay, gotcha. Good to know.
A guy
Yeah.
who has more money than I do. I own a house in Kensington,
Oh, nice. Okay, yeah.
which is like a little over half a million.
Yeah.
worth.
I went to Churchill, so in Potomac.
Uh-huh.
Yep. So I'm kind of from that area. Moved from Florida, but now I'm in DC, and I'm licensed in all three. So I sell
Good.
in Maryland, DC, and Virginia.
Good.
Not too far out of Virginia, but Northern Virginia market as well. It's just the market's so hot right now.
Really?
It's
Even during the pandemic?
when I tell you there's multiple offers on everything,
Uh-huh.
especially Kensington, believe it or not.
I know.
Very
I know
hot market
Kensington
up
is
there.
hot.
It's just because the rates are so low. Like the rates right now are,
Right.
I just quoted, well, not me, but my lender just quoted a client 2.75%. So,
Yeah. But I thought since a lot of people are out of work still,
yeah.
that the
So
market may have slowed
that's
down.
the issue with, I think, the national headlines is that, doom and gloom, right? And like a lot of people are. Like a lot of people are at jobs. My mom, they, made her take a significant pay cut, and I know people that have gotten laid off, and it will probably continue, unfortunately.
Yeah.
The good thing about DC is the job market is very
It's
stable.
usually very stable,
strong.
yeah.
You get the contract workers from, the World Bank, different,
Yeah.
international organizations, and then obviously every 4
The
years, which is
government.
coming up, you have the elections, so you have a whole new.
And then the government is, of course, government
Yeah,
jobs
I mean,
are very
unless the
stable.
power leaves DC, which I don't think it will, then we'll have an issue. But I think for the most part, the three biggest things are right here in DC. You have the military, you have the Amazon too. So it's like,
Oh, that's right. Amazon is coming. It's not
oh, it's
there
coming.
yet, is it?
Yeah, no, it's coming, and they're building.
And so that's shooting up. That's
they're
increasing the
building, A lot of them are
prices.
living in DC,
Right.
or, Arlington. So
Do you already feel the effect in the
we've
price
been feeling,
on the
believe it or
prices?
not, the Amazon effect for over a year and a half now.
Oh, really?
Believe it or not. Especially that little neighborhood. Like there's a neighborhood that kind of, leads right to it.
Yeah.
And I have a buyer that's still looking, of course. And he wants to be under 1.5, and we can't win him. Freaking, there's, there's 3 offers on every property. Those neighborhoods, they shot up from like the under $1 million price point to like 1.3 over.
Which neighborhood you're talking about?
It's called Rural Hills.
Is that in Arlington or
It's
is
in
it
Arlington.
in DC? In
Yeah,
Arlington.
it's in Arlington.
Okay.
So that's what I'm saying. Like you felt some of the effect in like those
Yeah,
neighborhoods close
yeah,
by.
first.
DC, but 100% because I think they're building some kind of rail system from the Silver Spring or Tacoma Park area, so like the Hyattsville area as well, all the way to the headquarters in Amazon.
Oh, really?
So I think it's gonna go right through DC.
You mean a metro or
Yeah,
or a
it's gonna be
special
like-
rail system?
It's gonna be a special rail system. Yes. So it's gonna be like direct.
I did not know
Yeah,
that.
I don't know if
That
it's been
is
approved
interesting.
or if it's 10 years out or.
In from Kensington, there's a mark.
Yes.
Is that connected maybe to the mark somehow?
I
Because
don't
the
know
mark
that,
goes from
yeah.
Kensington, Silver Spring, and then Union Station.
Okay. Yeah, I don't know. I don't know if it.
It could be.
I hope so. I hope they do it right.
Because from Union Station to Arlington wouldn't be very
No,
far.
no, that wouldn't be hard at all. I don't know I didn't like get the whole plan, and I don't know
Okay.
if it's approved, but I do know they're putting something in, or at least planning to put something in, and with Amazon, I'm pretty sure they'll get it done.
I'm
You
sure
know,
as well.
But yeah, no, I guess the point I was making was, the market is really hot right
Okay.
now. And overall,
Nice
what I try to
grandfather
do
clock.
is I try and work with buyers to find them off-market inventory, right?
Yeah.
So it's like great what's on the market, open houses, but the reality is it's all on Zillow, Redfin. About 20% of the properties, it could fluctuate here and there, but give or take, about 20% sell before they even hit the market.
Yeah.
So
I bet in a
yeah, so Compass, what we have at Compass coming soon, or we are number one in the DC marketplace, and we're pretty big in like Bethesda as well and Kensington, but we really have a lot of the market share. So a lot of our properties are privately marketed between us, right? And so I just got a contract on a 2-bedroom in Adams Morgan last week that we were the only offer, and right, so that's the other incentive. There's not. You're not dropping your finance contingency, you're not dropping your inspection contingency, because when they get competitive, like this one potentially might be, Tuesday at noon kind of offers, people do pre-home inspections, people come in all cash, people, like it just gets pretty competitive, people escalate. I mean, I've seen an escalation 150,000 over asking, and they were number 3, right? They didn't get it. And so that's like kind of the angle that I like to approach, is like, what inventory are you not seeing, that's not on the market yet.
So you want to show me the bedroom?
Yeah, sorry. I know you're on video.
No, that's okay. It's very informative.
Thank you. Yeah. You have like kind of a lot of character here, right? I don't know if that's of
Yes,
interest to
very
them,
nice.
but,
Definitely.
the brick exposure. And
Definitely.
Then,
The
you have
mirror
more-
looks good on the brick.
Yeah, it is really
Yeah.
nice. Then you have kind of this smaller bedroom here. This is the smallest of the
Okay.
3. So this could be an office. You could definitely do what some people do, is kind of use it as a multi-purpose room. Right? So you can do office setup, but like a fold-out bed or something, for
Right.
guests.
Right.
So some options here. It does have a closet. I'll let you.
A small one, yeah. Okay.
And then here's your full bath for this level.
Okay. Very nicely restored
And then
everything.
little things that like I would point out, like you have the skylight, so that's
Yeah.
a nice little feature. It'll bring in more
Makes a
natural light.
difference, yeah.
And then you have a really sizable second bedroom here.
Okay. Okay.
And then here's the master bedroom.
Okay. Very
And I actually
nice.
have to stop saying master, owner suite, because they're getting rid of the master, believe it or not. Like
Who's getting rid of
just
master?
like the real estate industry overall, just because of the word, like, master.
Oh, plantation master.
Yeah. So owner suite.
That's about
I get it.
that's about
it's
time.
still like kind of ingrained.
Yeah.
But yeah, that's.
Okay, with the view out.
Yeah.
To
And
the
you have
street.
like nice windows, so you could do like a reading nook there.
Mhm.
They didn't really have that, but you could definitely use some space there.
Yeah.
Good ceiling height up here,
Uh-huh.
which is nice. Never hurts. Probably
Right.
8.5 feet, and then you do have a pull down like attic space.
Okay.
Right above you here.
Yeah.
So I won't pull it down, but you do have like storage and
Oh, okay.
additional space.
The
as well.
closet is kind of small. Is there additional closet space anywhere, somewhere?
So what they did was they had the armoire, and then they just have some storage. So you could do that. I don't know if you need a TV, but you could do more closet space there, or even honestly, you could build out a little closet here.
Yeah, I guess.
Yeah, because we have a bunch of contractors that will do that.
Can you give me some? Because for my house in
100%.
Kensington, I need
Okay, I'll get your
some
information.
closet space.
100%. I have people that are happy to do that.
Great.
Yeah, so I mean, for a master or owner suite closet, sorry.
Yeah.
You have to kind of get creative, but they put a little storage under
Yeah,
here.
mhm,
But
that
that's not
helps.
like for your closet, right? Your clothes and stuff.
I mean, you could make a closet
Right.
here also.
That's true. This
If
would be
it's not
easy.
too narrow. No, it should be okay.
Yeah, this should be easy. Just get rid of this
Yeah.
and this site. But yeah, that's basically the tour.
Okay.
You have a lot of original details. The owners.
Yes, it's very, very nice.
It's
Very-
an older
very
home.
pristine.
Yeah.
Very nicely restored.
Exactly. I can't say it better. It's an older home, but it's well maintained.
Yeah. Which year did you say was built?
This was built, let me make sure I'm correct.
Does it have a basement, by the way?
No basement.
No basement.
So this was built 1900.
1900.
Yeah.
Okay.
120 years old. So
Yeah, very nicely restored. I mean,
it really is, yeah. And they put, updated appliances, built out the backspace,
yeah,
converted it to central air, all of the, the heavy lifting stuff that gets expensive.
yeah.
And you want your home today. So
Right. Now the outdoors, I really like the
Yeah.
outdoors too. Nice big fridge here.
like I said, I think one of the owners was a chef, so
Yeah.
you have like the industrial, commercial grade appliances. I got it, thank you.
So one last view of the outdoors. So it has a nice trees, big trees. So it gives it a very serene